Hello students, you are welcome to this session. So in this session, we are going to discuss the rest of the problem from the exercise 7.3. In the last exercise, that is in the last session, we discussed up to 9 questions of 7.3. We will continue exercise 7.3 with the question number 10, integral calculus based on integration based on trigonometric identities. Let us begin our session now. And question number 10, integrate sine power 4x. To integrate sine power 4x, and we have to use integral, that is identities, trigonometric identities. Let us see the identity. Sine square x is 1 minus and cos 2x by and 2. And if it is sine power 4x, 1 minus and cos 2x by 2, the whole square. After expanding this, we can get 1 by 4, 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x. This 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x, so 1 plus cos 4x by 2, 2 into 4, 8, 1 plus and cos 4x by 8. If we combine 1 by 4 and 1 by 8, 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2 and cos 2x and plus 1 by 8 and cos 4x. So this is expansion of sine 4x using trigonometric identities. Now we can integrate I equal to and 3 by 8 integral of dx minus 1 by 2 integral of cos 2x dx plus 1 by 8 integral of cos 4x dx and 3 by 8 integral of dx integral of cos 2x 1 by 2 sin 2x integral of cos 2x 1 by 2 sin 2x, so minus 1 by 4 and sin 2x integral of cos 4x 1 by 4 sin 4x 1 by 4 into 8 32 and sin 4x with the integral constant. So this is the integrated value of sine power 4x using trigonometric identity conversion. Sine square theta or sine square x 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Understood? Copy this. We'll go to next question. Next question 11, integral of like sine power 4x cos power 4x. We are going to integrate now. Question number 11, integral of and cos power 4 x with respect to x. Here cos square x 1 plus cos 2x by 2, and this implies cos power 4x 1 by 4 1 plus 2 and cos 2x plus and cos square 2x is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 and cos 2x is 1 plus cos 4x by 2 into 4, 8. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 and cos 2x plus 1 by 8 and cos 4x. So this is the expansion of cos power 4x using trigonometric identity. Now we can integrate I equal to 3 by 8 integral of dx plus 1 by 2 integral of cos 2x at dx and plus 1 by 8 integral of and cos 4x dx. Dear student, integral of dx. So integral of first term 3 by 2x or 3x by 8. Integral of cos 2x, cos sin 2x by 2 into 2, 4. Integral of cos 4x sin 4x by 4 into 8, 32 with the integral constant, and copy this. This is integral of cos for 4x. This is question number 11. We'll move to question number 12 and copy this. I hope you all understood all the concept. Very basic type of integral using trigonometric identities. Question number 12. Integrate sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x. Sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x. Okay, I equal to integral of the sin square x is 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x, correct? The denominator 1 plus cos x. Yes, 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x is nothing but sin square x. So one of the common factor cancelled. Then we are left only two terms or one factor and 1 minus cos x. Integral of 1 with respect to x dx. Integral of cos x with respect to x sin x. With the integral constant. So this is the answer of question number 12. Copy it. We'll go to the next question. This is question number 12. Now we'll discuss question number 13. Question number 13. Integral of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha. The denominator cos x minus cos alpha. And cos alpha is a constant term. I equal to integral of cos 2x 2 cos square x minus 1. Integral of cos 2 alpha minus 2 cos square alpha minus or minus 1 plus 1 by cos x minus cos alpha and dx. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. We can take 2 outside. Cos square x minus cos square alpha, cos x minus cos alpha into cos x plus cos alpha, the denominator, and cos x minus cos alpha and dx. So this and this cancel. Then 2 integral of cos x plus and cos alpha and 2 integral of cos alpha sin alpha. Cos alpha constant, so x and cos alpha. Okay, and with the integral constant. So this is the answer and copy it. This is question number 13 of the exercise 7.3. Now we will go to question number 14 and copy this. This exercise 7.3 and question 14. The 14th question, cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x in the numerator, denominator 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x and dx. Okay, and cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x, I equal to integral of cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x and dx. Dear student, using identity, the denominator is cos x plus sin x the whole square, correct? Using identity, we can convert 1 plus sin 2x as cos x plus sin x the whole square. Why? Expansion of this cos square x plus sin square x 1. The next 2 sin x cos x sin 2x. Now we can apply substitution method u equal to cos x plus sin x and du, then cos x minus sin x dx. The numerator du, denominator u square. This is of a form du by u square. What is integral of this? Minus 1 by u. And minus 1 by u is cos x plus sin x with the integral and constant. We have used here both substitution and trigonometric identity. Okay, this is one of the important question in the exercise on point 3. And go through it and copy it. We'll go to question number 15. Question number 15. The question is tan square, tan cube 2x, secant 2x. Integral of tan cube and 2x and secant 2x. Okay. Now I can be written tan square 2x and tan 2x and secant 2x. One group. Okay. Then and then tan x u equal to and secant 2x. Then du will be equal to 2 secant 2x and tan 2x. So derivative of secant x tan x. Tan 2x. Then tan 2x secant 2x is 1 by 2 du. This can be written as tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1. So this is secant square 2x minus 1 into tan 2x and secant 2x. This is identity at dx. Now integral of this is u square minus 1. The whole thing is 1 by 2 du. Okay. Then integral of u square with respect to u cube by 3. 3 into 2, 6 minus u plus c. Then finally, u should be taken as secant 2x. Secant cube 2x by 6 minus secant 2x with the integral constant c. So this is the answer. I'll go through it. Okay. Next question 16. Question number 16. Integral of tan power 4x. Okay, I equal to integral of tan power 4x at dx. then tan square x into tan square x dx. So derivative of tan x secant square x. This is secant square x. One of the tan square x is 1 plus tan square x secant square x mean, and tan square x equal to secant square x minus 1 into secant square x minus 1. Then integral of tan square x and secant square x dx. Okay, minus integral of tan square x, that is secant square x minus 1 dx. Now this secant square x can be written derivative of tan x. Tan square x, derivative of tan x, secant square x minus integral of secant square x minus 1 dx. What is integral of tan square x with respect to tan x mean? And tan cube x by 3. That's all. This is the first term, integrated value. Minus integral of secant square x tan x. Minus or minus plus integral of 1 with respect to x with the integral constant. Copy it. This is integral of tan power 4x, and we have used an identity, trigonometric identities, and go through and copy it. We'll move to next question, and question number 17. Let's copy it. Question number 17. Integral of the numerator sin cube x plus cos cube x. The denominator sin square x into cos square x. So it can be separated sin cube divided by denominator sin x by and cos square x by dx, correct? Sin between sin cube and sin square, sin x alone left, sin by cos square x. And plus similarly, and cos x by sin square x dx. Let us write sin x is a derivative of minus cos x, d of minus cos x divided by and cos square x. Cos x dx is the derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x by sin square x. Dear student, within the differential portion, the constant factor can be taken out minus integral of d. If you take this u, du, and u is cos x, d of cos x by variable is cos x, cos square x, plus d of sin x. Here sin x is the variable, sin square x. Then according to the rule, integral of this minus 1 by cos x, minus 1 by cos x. The other one minus 1 by sin x with integral constant. So 1 minus or minus plus 1 by cos x or secant x minus 1 by sin x or cosecant x with the integral constant. So this is the answer. Integrated value of sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x. And we have used the separation and a substitution. Okay. The same question, sin cube x plus cos cube x, a cube plus b cube, and a plus b sin x plus cos x into sin square x and a square plus ab minus sin x cos x plus and cos square x. And then this 1 minus sin x plus cos x. The denominator sin square x into cos square. Then we have to separate. And then we can try to integrate. This is another way using another identity takeaway. Next question 18. Question number 18. Integral of cos 2x additional term plus 2 sin square x. Look at the angle. One is multiple angle, the other one is basic angle. Denominator cos square x. The mixed form, basic angle and multiple angle mean we can write multiple angle in terms of basic angle. I equal to solution integral of and cos 2x in terms of cos 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 2 sin square x and the denominator cos square x dx. Then 2 cos square x with cos square x or 2 dx first term minus 1 by cos square x secant square x dx plus 2 and tan square x is secant square x minus 1 dx. Correct? Now integral of 2 with respect to x 2x minus this is a tan x plus 2 tan x minus x into 2 minus 2x with the integral constant. Combined and 2x and minus 2x cancel and just tan x. Okay, with the integral constant. We'll check once again cos 2x, 2 cos square x minus 1 and 2 sin square x, 2 cos square x by cos square x 2 minus 1 by cos square x secant square x 2 sin square by cos square tan square is secant square x minus 1. Correct? And integral of 2 into x, integral of secant square tan x minus tan x. This is tan x 2 tan x and minus 2x. Here minus 2x and plus 2x cancel. So this is correct. And copy it. We'll go to next question. Next question, question number 19. Question number 19. 1 by sin x cos cube x dx by sin x in the cos cube x. Okay. Now we can do some adjustment. The denominator multiplied by cos x, so tan x. 1 by cos power 4 and secant power 4x dx. Correct? Then secant square x into secant square x 1 plus tan square x by tan x. This secant square x dx is a derivative of tan x. So 1 plus tan square x by tan x in the d of tan x. Secant square x dx is differential of tan x. If we take u equal to tan x, this can be written 1 by u plus u du. This implies I equal to integral of 1 by u log u, that is mod, plus u square by 2 with integral constant. Final answer I equal to u should be replaced by tan x, log mod of tan x plus tan square x by 2 with the integral constant. So this is the final answer, integrated value of dx by sin x into cos cube x. Copy it. Next question, question number 20. Question number 20. 20th question, integral of cos 2x. The denominator cos x plus sin x the whole square. Using identity, the cos 2x can be written cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x. Why? Because the multiple angles should be converted into basic angle. This integrand is a combination of multiple angle as well as basic angle. Okay, on further simplification, and cos x minus sin x, a denominator cos x plus sin x. Now, let us try to integrate using substitution method. Let us take u equal to and cos x plus sin x and corresponding du and cos x minus sin x. The entire cos x minus sin x numerator, this is of the form du by u log mod of u with the arbitrary constant mod of and cos x plus sin x with the integral constant. So this is the integrated and final answer of the given and question number 20, and go through and copy it. Next question 21. Question number 21. What is 21? Integral of sine inverse of cos x. And using inverse trigonometric function property, sine inverse of cos x plus cos inverse of cos x equal to and pi by 2. So this is pi by 2 minus cos inverse of cos x. Pi by 2. Integral of pi by 2 minus cos inverse of cos x just x. Then integral of pi by 2 being constant, pi by 2 in dx. Integral of x with respect to dx, x squared by 2 with the integral constant. So this is integrated value of sine inverse of cos x dx. And instead of sine inverse of cos x, cos inverse of sin x means pi by 2 minus and sine inverse of cos x will come. What is the property? Sine inverse of alpha plus and cos inverse of RA. So cos inverse of A equal to pi by 2. So this property we have used here. This is question number 21. Okay. Now we'll go to next question number 22. Of the exercise 7.3. The exercise 7.3. 22. Integral of dx by and cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b. And remember, student, the denominator product of cos and cos and the difference of these two angle constant. What is the difference of these two angle? And this minus this and a minus b. A minus b. So the a minus b is the difference of these two angle constant mean. Then cos of a minus b or sin of a minus b constant. So we can multiply divide by the denominator cos and cos mean sin of a difference of angle should be adjusted by multiply and divide. So 1 by sin of what is difference of these two angle? This minus this, b minus a. The same numerator can be written sin of x minus b minus of x minus a. Then cos of x minus a in the cos of x minus b dx. Just verify x minus x answer minus b minus of minus a plus a. On the entire numerator sin of a minus b. So here b minus a means here a, there b, correct? Then b minus a will come. Now what to do? Sin of b minus a. Just expand using the formula difference of two angles. Theta 1 x minus a, theta 2 x minus b, and sin of x minus a in the cos of x minus b minus cos of x minus a in the sin of x minus b. The denominator cos of x minus a in the cos of x minus b dx after simplification. Sin of b minus a integral of and cos of x minus b cancel sin by cos tan of x minus a. Then cos x minus a cancel tan of x minus b. On integration 1 by sin of b minus a integral of tan log mod of secant of x minus a again log mod of secant of x minus b with the integral constant, or you can combine using logarithmic rule log a minus log b log of a by b. Okay, this is 22. The another two questions are there in the exercise in the form of MCQ, multiple choice answer question. We will complete that also. Just copy it. (23) example integral of sin square x minus cos square x, the denominator sin square x into cos square x. There are four options given. We need not worry about that. We will integrate I equal to sin square by sin square cos square x secant square x, cos square cancel cosecant square x. So secant square x is a derivative of tan x, meaning integral of secant square x tan x, and minus cosecant square x is a derivative of cot x, meaning this plus cot x. The integral constant. What is the answer? Tan x plus cot x with the arbitrary constant. See, this is 23rd question. So in this exercise, only one more question is left, that is 24. So let us wind up this session with the next question. Then we will continue example and exercise of the next exercise 7.3. All those questions based on completion square, most important part of the integral calculus. 24 of the exercise 7.3, integral of e power x into 1 plus x dx. The denominator cos square of x e power x. Okay. If you take u equal to x e power x du e power x plus x in the e power x dx. The entire numerator is du in I equal to integral of du by cos square u is nothing but secant square u, integral of secant square u tan u, and final answers to be presented in the form of u equal to x e power x with the integral constant. So dear student, my dear student, and we have completed exercise 7.3 including MCQ type of question. In the next session, we'll discuss problem based on completion square. First of all, we have to learn what is completion square, what are the other alternate method to integrate a problem involving completion square. Let us see in the next session. Thank you, students.